log of cos x plus I1. So now I will apply the log formula, that is half log of real part square plus imaginary part square. So that minus also becomes plus. Plus I tan inverse of y by x, that is minus sin x sine of hy upon cos x cos of hy. Now what does this mean? A plus ib is equal to this. So what are you going to do? Can anybody tell me?
हम इक्वेट कर देंगे ए की वैल्यू और इमेजिनरी पार्ट की वैल्यू.
Yes, that means if you are going to equate the left hand side as well as the right hand side, that means the real part will be equated with the real part and the imaginary part will be equated with the imaginary part. So here what I get is I get this part. Sine by cos is tan and sine hyperbolic by cos hyperbolic is also tan. So what are we going to do here? We are going to equate or equating real and imaginary part. Equating real and imaginary part. So what I'm doing, I'm equating the imaginary part first. So what am I getting here? B equal to tan inverse of minus tan x into tan of hy. Now I am just going up or zooming out, that will be better. Can you see we are reaching to the second point? Quickly see at the question. B मुझे क्या
Yes.
मिला है? Yes, मुझे क्या मिला
Yes,
है?
ma'am.
B is tan inverse of this. So I am reaching there because this tan inverse will go to
Tan
the
B is
other
equals
side.
to tan
Yes.
B is equals to
Understood. So we are doing similar kind of sum like yesterday, but with a little extra steps. That's it. So from here directly I get tan B is equal to minus tan x into tan of hy. So I got the second part. Now I will equate the real part, that is a equal to half log cos square x into cos h square y plus sin square x into sin h square y. Abhi bata what I'm going to do. This 2 I'm going to write here, so I'll get 2a equal to log. Now in the question everything should be in cos. So simultaneously let's start doing that also. So this will be as it is. Sine will be written as that will be written as 1 minus cos square x and hyperbolic will be written as
Cos h square
hyperbolic
y
minus
minus
1. Yes. Now I know a relation. What is the relation I have? If I have log b equal to a and the base is e, so what can I write it as? B equal to e raised to a.
Yes.
Yes or no? The relation between
Yes,
log
miss.
and the relation between log and hyperbolic. So what is going to come here? This log will become now e raised to 2a equal to, and simultaneously I will open the bracket. So cos square x cos hyperbolic of y plus, open the bracket, cos h square y minus 1 minus cos square x cos h square y plus cos square x. So what is happening? This part is getting cancelled. E raised to 2a is equal to. Now what is cos h square y? That also we will substitute. So what is cos h square y? That is 1 plus
1 plus sine.
cos upon 2 minus 1 plus cos square x is also 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. So that means it is 1 by 2 plus cos h 2y by 2 minus 1 plus half cos of 2x by 2. So half 1, everything gets cancelled. So we are getting
So half
cos
positive.
h, yes. So we are getting 2 here. That 2 will go that side. So we have got the second part also. Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Just quickly go through it so that we can do the next one. Okay. Because the outline of the sum was similar to what we have done, a little extra. Okay. Now let's see the next. Yes. You are given in the question log x plus iy equal to p plus iq. Now let me tell you one more thing before I start with the sum. The speciality of complex number is if the sum comes, it will come in the same sum will come in the paper. They do not change the question. Is that clear? In matrices, you have lot of variety. Here, what will happen is, but obvious, if the previous sum we had log of cos x plus iy, तो उसका आंसर वही है. They cannot change anything there. Is that clear? So these are all particular standard questions that are asked in the exam. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Try to try to understand the approach of the sum. Now see, what is the proof that you can see? Y equal to x, tan is coming and ये tan के angle में है all this. Tan q log of under root of x square plus y square. Is that clear? Double bar log hai, there are 2 times log. It is no use of writing 2 times log because then I will not be able to apply the formula. So what are we doing here? Can I do this?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because just now we did that concept. We can, so 2 logs are there. So 1 log I gave it to exponential. And what will happen by indices now? This will be e raised to p. This will be e raised to iq. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is e raised to I theta? E raised to I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. Now, from where this formula I have written? We had specified this when I was teaching you the Euler's form of complex number. So, because of this, because of this, what happens? Log of x plus iy formula I am writing here, that is half log x square plus y square plus I tan inverse of y by x. The left hand side formula I wrote. This will be e raised to p. E raised to iq is e raised to iq is cos q plus I sin q. So this I am e raised to p I am multiplying inside. So e raised to p into cos q plus I into e raised to p into sin q. Once I'm done with this part, again what are we going to do? We are equating the real and imaginary part. We are equating real and imaginary part. So now when I equate the real part, what do I get? Half log of x square plus y square is equal to what? What is the real part? This is the real part. And this is the imaginary part. That is e raised to p cos q. And similarly, I am equating the imaginary part. That is tan inverse of y by x. It is e raised to p into sin q. Can you see we have reached somewhere closer?
Yes, ma'am.
Where we have reached closer, tell me. Which relation I am going to take? The real part or the imaginary part? Yes, real part or imaginary part?
real part.
Huh?
दोनों
Proof
ना
that उधर लिखा है. Proof that ऊपर लिखा है मैंने y equal to x
इमेजिनरी वाला
tan.
लिख
हाँ, तो start, yes. Start करेंगे imaginary के साथ. Why? Because you can see y equal to x, tan is there. So here I am going to take the imaginary part. So what will happen here? Y by x is equal to tan inverse goes to the other side. So from here I am getting y equal to x tan of e raised to p into sine q. Is this understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now again you look at, see, whatever we are doing is because we have to prove something, right? So again look back to the question. Is
E
that
raised
clear?
to P.
If
E
you
raised to
see,
P.
yes. If you see in the proof that क्वेश्चन का वहां पे एक्सपोनेंशियल तो है ही नहीं, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक और लॉग है, और यहाँ पे आई एम हैविंग e raised to p. So from this relation I will try to substitute e raised to p. Now what will be this half I am taking as under root because the answer required is in under root. So log under root of x square plus y square upon cos q. Do you understand why did we do that?
Yes,
Because in
ma'am.
the proof that exponential is not there, so imaginary part is giving me a relation. In that exponential is not required. So we are going to substitute that now. So when we substitute, what will happen? Y equal to x tan. In place of exponential, I am writing log of under root of x square plus y square upon cos q into sin q. And what is sin by cos? Sin by cos is tan. So we get y equal to x tan q into log of under root of x square plus y square. I zoom out. Please go through it properly and tell me. It's a very, see, sums are very short provided you go through proper procedure. If you understand the proper procedure, then the sums are quite small. Is that clear? So please go through it. Take your time. Go through it once and then put it in the chat box whether you have understood or not. See, henceforth, when I'm giving you some sums to solve, you have to solve it, okay? Then only you will have a good collection of the solution of your complex. Because every sum of complex will give you something or the other difference. Is that clear? So let's go to the next sum. Now you need to prove that log of 1 plus e raised to I theta is log 2 into cos of theta by 2 plus I theta by 2. Okay, this is what we have to prove. Let's start with my log part. Can anybody quickly tell me what I'm going to do after this?
E raised to I theta put कर देना cos.
Yes. We are going to put e raised to I theta formula. Because to apply log, yes, I repeat, to apply log, I read the real part and the imaginary part. Okay. So first after this, the immediate step is apply e raised to I theta, that is cos theta plus I sin theta. Now because of this, what becomes the real part? This becomes the real part, and only this much is your imaginary part. Is that clear? But
Yes, ma'am.
before applying any formula further, okay, before applying any formula further, what are we doing is we can do one thing here. What is that? What is cos of 1 plus, what is 1 plus cos theta?
2 cos square
2
theta by
cos
2.
square theta by 2.
Yes, 2 cos square theta by 2. So I am giving you a very simple procedure to do this. So this is 2 cos square theta by 2 plus sin theta is 2
2
sin
sin.
theta by 2 cos theta by 2. I am teaching this in a very simple way where we are not applying any log formula. We are just doing properties of log and trying to solve it. What next? The next is I can take 2 cos theta by 2 common. So what I will get? Cos theta by 2 plus
I
I sin theta by 2.
मल्टीप्लाई का प्लस में आ जाएगा.
theta by 2.
Yes. प्लस में लिखने से पहले what is the next thing I can do is I will write this as e raised to I theta by 2.
Theta by 2.
मैम.
And then we will start with the plus part. So what are we getting here? It will be log of 2 cos theta by 2 plus log of e raised to I theta by 2.
आ गया सब.
So sometimes you have to, yes, sometimes you have to check whether applying the property will help or applying the formula will help. This is a very simple sum. If you do with the formula also, no problem, you will get the same answer. Lengthy nahi rahega, but you will get the same answer. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have just applied the properties and we have kept on finding it. Is that clear? Now here itself I'm writing the questions also, what you are going to solve. That question also I'm writing here. That is proof that log of 1 plus tan alpha here you have to apply the property, okay? The formula, that is 1 log of 1 plus I tan alpha is the formula is giving you log of sec alpha plus I alpha. This is the one first sum that you need to do. And the next that I feel you should solve is this. So the outline of this sum is the previous one for both. But this will be your formula, okay? X plus IY. X
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
IY का formula you apply, you can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Exponential जैसा नहीं है ये.
डायरेक्ट हो जाएगा.
हाँ. And this will be on the same track as the previous one.
सेक्स स्क्वायर आएगा ना ऊपर वाले में?
नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि मेरे फॉर्मूला में हाफ लॉग है ना,
अरे हाँ मैम,
तो
यस
वो
मैम।
स्क्वायर और वो 2 चला जाए. तो ऐसे जो भी एक एक दो दो सम आई एम गिविंग यू ऑल इन बिटवीन ना, प्लीज डू इट. ओके
मैम लास्ट स्लाइड एक बार दिखाओ ना.
वो सेकंड वाला.
मैं ये पोस्ट कर दूंगी ना, तो उसके बाद देख लेना क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन के लिए ही बोल रहे हो ना तुम लोग?
यस मैम ठीक है.
हाँ, तो मैं पोस्ट कर दूंगी मेरे लेक्चर के बाद. Now see this. This is little interesting. If I raised to I till infinity is a plus ib, then prove that tan pi a by 2 is equal to b by a, and a square plus b square is e raised to minus pi b. Now this is what we need to prove. Now the relation that is given to us is I raised to I till infinity is a plus ib. So what is this actually? I raised to I infinity tak it is going, right? So can I write this as, just tell me, okay, can I write this as
यस मैम।
यस मैम.
क्यों ऐसे लिखा? बिकॉज आई रेस टू आई वो चलता रहेगा, राइट? वो ऑलरेडी हम लोग को a प्लस आई भी दिया है. तो what I am doing is, because to avoid that infinity, I am taking it as what? A plus ib. Just tell me whether this is understood. This is a very important,
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
right? Now what is happening? अपने डेरिवेटिव में एक कंसेप्ट किया था हम लोग ने 12th में. वेरिएबल रेस टू वेरिएबल रहेगा तो डेरिवेटिव के लिए क्या लेना पड़ता है? क्या?
log.
लॉग लॉग।
लॉग. यस, ये कंसेप्ट सिखाया है ना. वेरिएबल रेस टू
Yes,
वेरिएबल है तो
हाँ.
to do the
Yes, ma'am.
derivative we have to take log. Similarly, अभी मेरे कॉम्प्लेक्स में वेरिएबल क्या हो गया? मेरा आई ना, मेरा मेन कॉम्प्लेक्स का इज आई. तो अगर जब भी अभी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर रेस टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर दिखा, तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू टेक log on both the sides. Is it understood?
यस मैम।
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now onwards, whenever you see complex number raised to complex number, you are going to take log on both the sides. Okay, so after this, the immediate step that we have is taking log on both the sides. So I will get log I raised to a plus ib, and there is a log going to be here also. Okay, now I have a property. What property do we have? Log of a raised to m. So what will happen here? This will be a plus ib into log I equal to log of a plus ib. Did you all understand this much?
यस मैम।
If you see, you are having proof that में a square b square tan of b by a ना, tan inverse मतलब tan inverse of b by a मतलब ये जो राइट हैंड साइड का log of a plus ib को फॉर्मूला we have applied. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
for now mark this as equation 1 and let us concentrate what will be log I. We have to find that now. Now what is log I? Log I will be 0 plus I into 1. I have to apply log property and get it. Log formula and get it. So log I is log of 0 plus I into 1. So what is the formula? That
Half
is,
half
yes,
log
half
1
log of
1
0 square plus 1 square
square plus
plus
tan
I
inverse
tan
I square.
inverse of 1 by 0. So here we are getting half log 1
0 हो जाएगा.
and this is tan infinity.
I
Tan
by 2.
infinity is
Pi by
90, that is pi by 2. And
First
log
cut
1 is
0.
0. So log I is what?
I pi by 2.
I pi by. Did you all understand? Now I am going to substitute this 2 in 1. So from 1 and 2, what do I get? I am getting a plus ib. In place of log I will put I into pi by 2. Log of a plus ib formula, that is half log of
A square plus B square
a square plus b square.
plus I tan inverse.
Yes, I tan inverse of b by a. Again, what are we supposed to do? We have to equate the real and imaginary part. But before that, I will
Multiply.
open this bracket. Yes. So when I open this bracket, what do I get? I will get IA pi by 2. I
Minus
square is minus 1. So b into pi by 2. I square is minus 1. So b pi into 2. So that is giving me equal to half log of a square plus b square plus I tan inverse of b by a. Let's start equating. So when I equate the real part, that will be half log of a square plus b square equal to minus b pi by 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled and this log will become what? Exponential. So a square plus b square is e raised to minus b into pi. This is when you equate the real part. Now we will see the imaginary part. That is tan inverse of b by a is equal to a pi by 2. So from here, b by a is equal to tan of a pi by 2. I will zoom out because this is what we had to prove. So what is a new thing that we had observed now? Now whenever we
log
see,
I.
yes, log I is something new we saw, and at the same time, what is the other new thing? That henceforth, whenever you see, yes, complex number raised to a complex number, you are going to take log on both the sides. Okay, please go through it once. I'll proceed further. Now let's see this sum. Okay, that is e raised to 2ai cot inverse of b is bi minus 1 upon bi plus 1 raised to minus a equal to 1. Now this is what we have to prove. Okay, this is what we have to prove. That is e raised to 2ai cot inverse of b into bi minus 1 upon bi plus 1 raised to minus a is equal to 1. This is what we have to prove. Is that clear? Now, how are we going to start? Nothing log is there, nothing is given, but we have to come to that conclusion. Is that clear? So now let's see how do we proceed above. Now, because you have, I will tell you, because you have this part, I will try to apply which formula? We will try to apply log of b by m if I get log there. Is that clear? Now see the procedure what we are doing. I am taking only this part, that is bi by 1 upon bi plus 1. Now here you can see it is cot inverse of b is what you have. Now what is the next procedure I do? Minus 1 is written as I square. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And this plus 1 I am writing it as minus I square. So that I can take I common from the numerator and I can take I common from the denominator. Why am I doing this? I don't want I with B. If you take I with B and start solving, you will not get the required answer. You can try. Is that clear? So what are we getting? We are getting this relation, that is B plus I upon B minus I. Is this understood? So now,
Yes, ma'am.
what is this raised to? This is raised to minus A. So we are going to take Bi minus 1 upon Bi plus 1 raised to minus A on both the sides. B plus I upon B minus I raised to minus A. Now what you do? You take log on both the sides. So when I take log on both the sides, Bi minus 1 upon Bi plus 1 raised to minus A. My intention is to just simplify the right hand side. This will be b plus I upon b minus I raised to minus a. So let's start simplifying with the right hand side, not the left hand side. Okay. So what will come here? This will be minus a. Minus a will be outside. This will be log of b plus I. Then minus log of b minus I. Now apply your log formula. What is your log formula? Log of b plus I. So we'll apply for the first one. So that is half log of
B square plus 1.
b square plus 1 plus I tan inverse of
1 by B.
1 by b.
Okay, nothing. Plus.
Minus we'll apply here, that is half log of b square plus 1, because of the b minus I it is, so there is a minus in between. Is that clear? So what are we getting?
Yes, ma'am.
I wanted to ask you all something. I am not aware of this. Is it that when you are in Google Meet, you receive a call, the Google Meet gets unmuted?
कट
No,
हो
ma'am, Google Meet gets disconnected.
मैम मीटिंग
Right.
से लेफ्ट हो जाते हैं।
Right, na? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
2y.
So you all can see that we have opened the bracket. So because of this gets cancelled.
2y.
Yes. So what are we getting here is, we are getting minus 2ai tan inverse of 1 by b.
Cot inverse B लिख सकते हैं.
Yes. So tan inverse of 1 by b can be written as what? Cot inverse of b. You can do that. Is that clear? So
Yes.
basically here what do I get? Minus 2ai into cot inverse of b. And what is this? This is equal to what? What is my left hand side? That also I will not forget, because
Log
that is the main thing. That is log of
bi plus 1 minus
bi minus 1 upon bi plus 1 raised to minus a. तो अभी ये log एलिमिनेट करके, बिकॉज मेरे क्वेश्चन में log नहीं है, so bi plus 1 raised to minus a is what? This
E
will go as exponential, e raised to minus 2ai cot inverse of b. Now because of this, I
Okay.
will take the left hand side of my sum. What is the left hand side of my sum? My left hand side is 2ai
Cot inverse
cot inverse of b into bi minus 1 upon bi plus 1 raised to minus a. So that is 2ai cot inverse of b, and this we have just calculated, that is minus 2ai cot inverse of b. So what happens? The power gets cancelled and I get it equal to b, equal to 1. Understood?
yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Again I say, speciality is if the sum comes, it will come as it is. So you should remember all the tricks. What is the trick here? Tell me, what is the trick here? Taking log on both the sides to hai. But what is the trick here? The trick is this step.
BI.
This is an important step. If you directly start by taking log on, directly take log and all, it was not going to help you out in any way. That is the trick, that the -1 you need to write it as I, take I outside and remove that I from your B. And then you come to another relation, take log on both the sides and then you start solving it. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I have given you 2 sums that you all solve. Please go through all these things also.
मैम लास्ट के 2 स्टेप में क्या होगा?
हाँ
लास्ट के 2 स्टेप में
हाँ
वहाँ पे मतलब समझाना.
अरे मैंने क्वेश्चन लिया ना. क्वेश्चन क्या है देखो ऊपर. ये मैंने क्वेश्चन का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिया है.
Equals.
अच्छा अरे समझ गया.
समझ गया. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
So our extra class will be there on Saturday. Can I take tomorrow in the afternoon?
Yes, ma'am.
That is
Yes.
also fine, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow in the afternoon I'll take, na? Matlab, what time you'll be free? 2:30?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because anyways I don't have a class with you all tomorrow, na? So tomorrow also I can take, right? Saturday तक drag करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Because see why are we taking this is because it is officially it is not come, but yes, unofficial news has come that maybe in April mid you will be having your first exam. First, the semester 1 gets over or exam starts. Do you understand? So that is the reason.
First term कब है?
तो वही तो बता रही हूँ ना, मिड ऑफ अप्रैल में ही है बोल रहे हैं.
What about unit test, ma'am?
Unit test will be after a month.
After semester exams?
फिर अपना 1 महीना हो गया ना लेक्चर को.
Yes, ma'am.
फेब हो गया ना पूरा.
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
तो मार्च 15 को है टर्म टेस्ट. मतलब
Okay.
Okay,
बोला
ma'am.
नहीं किसी ने अभी तक.
नहीं, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, March 15th है because higher semester everybody has March 15th exam. So obviously even you will be having March 15th exam.
Okay, ma'am.
Timetable आएगा. You'll get the timetable and all. March 15th. It is objective plus subjective.
ऑनलाइन रहेगा ना मैम?
हाँ, ऑनलाइन है. ऑब्जेक्टिव प्लस सब्जेक्टिव मतलब 10 मार्क का ऑब्जेक्टिव है, 10 मार्क का सब्जेक्टिव है. लिख के अपलोड करना है. ओके.
Okay.
और एग्जाम है तो गिवन टाइम में ही अपलोड करना है. नहीं तो मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, नहीं तो मैं यहाँ नहीं हूँ, कोई और अपलोड नहीं कर सकता है तुम्हारे लिए. यू हैव टू मेक योर ओन दिस. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
या.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो आई कंफर्म. ओके, टुमारो आफ्टरनून में ले रहे हैं या सैटरडे ले रहे हैं हम. मैं इवनिंग तक कंफर्म करती हूँ. बट टुमारो आफ्टरनून में कितना? 2:30 और 3 o'clock? 2:30 ना. 3 o'clock will be too late.
2:30, ma'am.
2:30 is better ना. तो 1.5 और अगर लगा तो सैटरडे भी थोड़ा 1 घंटा ले लेंगे, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बिकॉज कॉम्प्लेक्स कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. माय कंसेप्ट इज दैट कॉम्प्लेक्स मेरा मतलब एक लिंक रहेगा ना, तो कॉम्प्लेक्स गेट्स ओवर क्विकली. Is that clear? Today,
Yes.
no. Today in our WhatsApp group, I will send some extra sums, which according to me, after knowing this concept, you all will be able to solve. 2 sums I have given you now. More 1 or 2 sums also I will give you. So that also you try. Is that clear?